This tutorial is about Salt Lake Community College's All Access system. We will be going over how to install the Citrix client on Windows using Internet Explorer as our browser. What is All Access? All Access is a free service available for SLCC students. It has virtual desktops that run all SLCC license programs without you having to buy them. It runs Windows applications on almost any device, including Windows, Mac, Linux, iPad, and Android. This service works both from on and off campus with an internet connection. You can start working on a program at the college, disconnect your session, and then reconnect from another device from home or over a 3G or LTE type connection and continue right where you left off. Only a small client called Citrix Receiver is required to connect. All the applications run from the SLCC servers and virtual desktops. For optimum use, we recommend using Internet Explorer or Firefox as your web browser. These work best with All Access. Now let's go into the site. To get started, go to www.slcc.edu and under the Student section, select All Access. This will bring you to the All Access login page. You want to log in with your MyPage username and password and then hit Enter or click and log in. The system will detect if you have the client installed. If not, select to agree to the license agreement and then click Install. If you are prompted at the bottom of the screen to run the Citrix receiver, click Run. It will then ask you to install the receiver. Click Install. Now that the client is installed, a list of various virtual desktops at SLCC will display. There is one setting we need to make in Internet Explorer that will allow you to automatically reconnect to existing sessions. To do this, click on the gear in the right-hand corner and then select Internet Options. Go to the Security tab and make sure that the Trusted Sites icon is selected, then click the Sites button. Then make sure to add allaccess.slcc.edu to the Trusted Sites list. You will find all the applications available to you under the Apps at the bottom of the screen. As you can see, I have already gone in and added my favorite applications to the main page. To add the applications you will use, click on the plus sign on the left-hand side of the screen. You can search for apps under All Apps or under each category. You can see once the apps have been added to your apps page, a green arrow will appear next to the application. If you prefer, you can run applications through the virtual desktops. You can find this at the bottom of the screen under Desktops. You will see at least 3 desktop icons called CAD Desktop, Adobe Desktop, and SLCC Desktop. Selecting the CAD Desktop icon will give you access to Autodesk software, SolidWorks pads, and FeatureCam. The Adobe Desktop gives you access to the Adobe software, and the SLCC Desktop gives you access to common use software such as Office. Select the desktop icon best for your needs, but if you want the SLCC Desktop to auto-launch, go to allaccess2.slcc.edu and log in with your MyPage username and password. As you can see, the SLCC Desktop will automatically launch. If prompted with the Citrix Receiver security warning, click Do Not Ask Me Again for this site and then click Permit Use. This will bring up the Slick desktop. If you do decide to auto-launch the Slick desktop, remember you will need to add allaccess2.slcc.edu to your trusted sites. This concludes our session on the All Access Windows Client installation using Internet Explorer. Here's a final list of some troubleshooting procedures as you install the Citrix client. Thanks for watching!